Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to make your hair look twice as long by using 2 braids. It does have the effect of making your hair look half as thick though. So I love the coronet braid, and this is another way that you can do a coronet braid, is to do it with only 1/2 of your hair. And oh, there's a beautiful bird. Oh my gosh, is that a hawk or an eagle? I think it's a hawk. So I'm using spin pins to screw this braid, and I have kind of a long tail on these braids. I don't usually leave that long of a tail, but I was trying to do this thing where you make the tails into bangs, and it looked horrible, so gave up on that. So this is as simple as it gets. You just put one around as the coronet and leave one down, and then it looks like your hair is super long, like it's one long continuous braid. And then what you can do with it next, this is another option, is you can bun that second braid. So you have one braid wrapped around your head and one bunned, and again it gives that effect of it being twice as long, that it's one braid creating this. So if you feel like you have the time and energy to braid 2 braids on your super long hair, these are some cool things you could do with it.